forests are a very important ecosystem for all over the world. This biome is mostly covered by wetlands, which include bogs, fens, marshes, and around 1.5 million of lakes. From these lakes, most of the water is extracted by big companies, because in this ecosystem the most pure, clean, and clear water is obtained, because it comes fresh from the ice that was melted. Boreal forests are also important because they serve as a shelter and refuge for many species that come to breed in this ecosystem, like deers or many species of birds. This is due to the vast expanses of woodlands that are included in a boreal forest, because they have many tall, safe trees like oak trees, pine trees, etc., which can serve these species to breed and then move back to their own ecosystems, or as simple as the species that live in boreal forests can breed safely there.
Play an important role in ecosystems because they determine the conditions in which animals and plants are going to live. Boreal forests have long cold winters which last 6 or 7 months and short mild summers in which they receive 20 hours of sunlight. In vegetation we have evergreen conifers which conserve energy and shed snow easily. Animals' adaptations for cold and snow are thick fur, white paws, coat colors which change according to the season.
I'm going to talk about the pattern of temperature and precipitation in the boreal forest. The pattern of temperature in the boreal forest is cold, with an average annual temperatures from about 5 degrees Celsius to -5 degrees Celsius. Precipitation varies from about 20 centimeters per year over to 200 centimeters. Much of precipitation, of course, is in the form of snow. The winters are cold and long, while the summers are relatively short and cool. Finally, with snow melt and low temperatures, there is little evaporation in the summer, so the ground is usually moist during the growing season.
Are the moose, the black bear, the beaver, the hare, the squirrel, the wolves, and the deer mouse. And some plants are mostly trees. They are the black and white spruce, the lodgepole pine, the balsam fir, the paper birch, and the balsam poplar. The boreal forests are mostly located in Michoacán and Orizaba.
Are deposits of sand saturated with bitumen, which is a black viscous mixture of hydrocarbons that are a result of petroleum. Over the last decade, Alberta, Canada has experienced great economic growth due to oil. However, oil sands have led to increased pressure on the environment.
Various endangered species in this biome, like the wolverine, the grizzly bear, the woodland caribou, and the crane.